Anyway, you're such a bad audience, we decided to inflict another Lúibín on you. And this Lúibín is all about the lockdown and the COVID-19. And we're going to ask you to do something now that's very, very difficult. I suppose I sound like the magician that's going around the festival. But this is really difficult, that we're going to ask you to imagine us being overweight. And this is what happened to us during the COVID lockdown. So, Bhí me seachtgloch go le raibh an nolig gan bhreag hanis tá madra jim le seachtgloch a déag.
4 months of quarantine have left us this way. 4 months of eating by night and by day. I was 100 pounds when I first closed the door. Now I'm 195 and a few ounces more. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, ho, ho. Fansa walla dúirte mar a rinmuid fadó. Ah, ah, ah. Oh, ho, ho. Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. Near over Malafadas, near Vlima and Wall. Near Scoop ma an Turlars, near Glan and Craw, and Tain upper a ring malaba unrickus cring, Nagarardum and Spoonog and Farkas and Skin.
You'll see no bead of sweat on my fine manly brow, for the hens feed themselves and there's a rust on the plough. We're totally committed to a new kind of work. It's called constantly lifting the knife and the fork.
Ah ha ha! Oh ho ho! Fansa walla a dúirte mar a rinmuid fadó. Ah ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
Éirín gach muidjin a ruir a van le. Ani eiche men postes ni olemente. Ham skjallok is grishkin is brutjingeljor. August torchin more arons 3 worker gastor.
I get up every morning, well sometimes I do, and I start off me day with a big bowl of stew, some bacon and sausage and fries from the town, and 6 pints of porter to wash it all down. Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho! Fansa walla a dúirte mar a rinmuid fadó. Ah ha ha! Ho ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. We've both done our best to be healthy, you know. We climb out of bed and we walk to and fro. We climb up the stairs at least once every day. And when we go to the outhouse, we walk all the way.
We clean our teeth faithfully every night still. And then we sit down and we both cry our fill. For when we put the toothpaste and brushes away, there's no eating again till the very next day.
Ah ha ha! Oh ho ho! Fansa walla a dúirte mar a rinmuid fadó. Ah ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
Joe made 56 muffins with chocolate and cream, put them all in the oven and started to dream. But he soon fell asleep and the minutes rolled past. He burned millions of calories without shifting his ass.
We drink bottles of water by night and by day, but drinking alone is now frowned on, they say. So to keep the drink company, we also eat pies and peanuts and donuts and buckets of fries. Ah, ah, ah.
oh ho ho. Fan so alla a dúirt mar rinmuid fada. Oh ho ho. Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
Gwe mishe ag trainal and Captain Sweetheart. At near Warmaro at the famous Spalpy guitar. Well, I never go jogging, oh no bloody fear. Sure, the last time I tried it, I spilt half my beer.
They've machines in the gym that can trim you right down. They'll take weight off your belly and weight off your tone. But of all the machines there between you and me, I like that defibrillator checked regularly.
Fan so alla dúirt mar rinmuid fada.
Oh ho ho. Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. I have a fine figure, I'm sure you'll agree. I admire my fine figure each evening with glee. I admire my fine six-pack, each valley and ridge, before carefully placing it back in the fridge.
Now yogurt's the stuff that will keep us all slim. Eat plenty of yogurt and you won't need the gym. I eat 10 tubs a day and I scrape up the dregs with me bacon and sausage and pancakes and eggs.
Ho ho ho.
Fan so alla a dúirt mar rinmuid fada.
Ho ho ho. Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
Kate Swan le Dianghlasáil and 13 bra more to the chips and the chops and the burger gas store. Goodbye to the belly and the big heavy rump. If I don't stop eating, I'll end up like
Goodbye to the lockdown of COVID-19. Goodbye to the junk food of the old quarantine. When you see us next year, we'll be slimmer, you'll see. So Kate Swan to you all in the land of the free. Oh ho ho. Fan so alla a dúirt mar rinmuid fada. Oh ho ho. Stay at home, we were told. Stay at home, Ray and Joe.